Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share one of your favorite Instagram highlight stories directly to Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make this process quick and easy, so you can keep your friends and followers in the loop across both platforms. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account where your highlights are saved. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping a profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your own Instagram page, where you can see all your posts, reels, and, of course, your highlights. Now, look for the highlight that contains the story you want to share. Tap on that highlight to open it. You'll see all the stories you've saved in that particular highlight. Scroll through and find the specific story you want to share with your Facebook friends. Once you've found it, look for the Facebook icon or the option that says Facebook. Tap on it. This will bring up the sharing options. Here, you'll see an option that says Share this story to Facebook. Go ahead and tap on that. Instagram will now connect with your Facebook account. If you haven't linked your accounts yet, you might be prompted to log in or connect your Facebook profile. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to go. After tapping Share this story to Facebook, your Instagram highlight story will be posted directly to your Facebook story. It's that simple. Now, all your friends on Facebook can see the same story you've shared on Instagram, keeping your content consistent and reaching a wider audience. And that's it. You've just learned how to share your Instagram highlights story to Facebook with just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.